Optimizing your SEO with Phrase.io is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to optimize your SEO using Phrase.io. So for that, you have to make sure you are in your Phrase.io website, and here you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will see something like that. Now here, what you have to do is you just have to copy and paste the article you want to SEO optimize. After copying and pasting the article, you will see options like these on the right side. You just have to click on this topic cluster. If you can't see topic cluster right here, there must be any option for top topics or long tail. Just have to click on this drop down menu, and you have to select topic cluster. After selecting that topic cluster, you will see options like that. Now here I have dropped down the service icon. After dropping this drop down, I will see all of these. Now what I have to do is I have to use all of these words in my article that I just paste right here. After using these keywords in this article at the right thing at the right place, your article will be perfectly SEO optimized. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful.